If you're managing a growing business, handling HR, or overseeing payroll for a mid-sized team, then you've probably come across Paycor in your research. It's often promoted as an all-in-one solution that can simplify the chaos of workforce management. But does it live up to the hype? Does it actually save you time and money, or does it introduce a different set of complications? In this video, we're going deep. We'll look at the tools, the experience, the pricing, and most importantly, whether it's worth your time. Let's dig into the details of what Paycor really offers. Paycor is what's known as a Human Capital Management Platform, or HCM for short. That means it's more than just a payroll system. It's a suite of tools designed to support the entire employee life cycle, from hiring and onboarding to payroll, benefits, time tracking, and even performance management. Think of it as your HR control center. It's cloud-based, so it works from your browser, and there's a mobile app too. You don't need any heavy installs or complex IT involvement to get started. Whether you're in the office, working remotely, or on the road, you can manage your team from anywhere. This kind of accessibility is especially useful for companies that have distributed teams or operate in multiple locations. And while it's mostly built for mid-sized businesses, think 50 to 1,000 employees, some small businesses use it too, especially those that plan to scale quickly and want infrastructure in place before things get too chaotic. Let's look at what you actually get when you sign up for Paycor. At its core, it includes payroll, HR, time and attendance, recruiting, benefits, learning management, and analytics. That's a lot, so let's break it down. The payroll system is highly automated. You can set it to run recurring pay cycles, handle local, state, and federal taxes, and automatically file year-end documents. It supports direct deposit, paper checks, and pay cards. Employees can access their own pay stubs and W-2s directly from the self-service portal. The HR module acts like a digital filing cabinet. It stores employee profiles, contracts, onboarding checklists, certifications, and performance notes. You can create workflows for promotions, terminations, benefits enrollment, and even employee surveys. Time and attendance is integrated so you can build schedules, track hours, approve time cards, and apply custom rules for overtime or paid time off. It's great for hourly teams, manufacturing floors, or retail environments. The recruiting and talent module lets you post to job boards, collect resumes, rank candidates, and manage interviews. Once someone's hired, onboarding begins automatically, assigning them tasks, docs, and training content. The learning management system helps with employee development. You can create learning paths, assign video modules, and track certifications or compliance training. It's an underrated tool for internal growth. And then there's analytics. Tons of data visualized through interactive dashboards. See how long it takes to fill roles, monitor diversity metrics, view turnover trends, or compare department-level performance. It's built for HR teams that want real insights, not just raw spreadsheets. One of the first things you'll notice is that the Paycor dashboard is modern, colorful, and intentionally designed for non-technical users. You don't need to be an IT specialist or a payroll expert to figure out where things are. Each module is clearly labeled and navigation flows logically. Still, because there's so much functionality under one roof, the platform can feel overwhelming at first. There are multiple menus, nested tabs, and tooltips. If you're coming from a simpler tool like Gusto or QuickBooks Payroll, expect an adjustment period. Fortunately, Paycor provides onboarding support, including training sessions, tutorial videos, and a knowledge base with how-to articles. Now let's talk money. One downside is that Paycor doesn't list pricing on its website. You have to go through a sales call or demo to get a custom quote. However, based on user reports and reviews, Paycor's pricing is generally higher than the basic payroll tools, but you're paying for an entire ecosystem. For small teams using just payroll and time tracking, the cost may not feel worth it. But for companies needing compliance, recruitment, learning, and HR insights, the value scales up quickly. Support-wise, Paycor offers phone, chat, and email assistance. They also have a resource hub with articles, guides, webinars, and compliance templates. During onboarding, you'll get help from a dedicated implementation team. That said, support reviews are mixed. Some users praise fast responses, while others say they've waited hours for callbacks. The quality of help can vary depending on the rep you get. This is something to consider if you're switching from a vendor with a strong support team. Here's my verdict. Paycor is a powerful, mature platform that consolidates your HR, payroll, talent, and analytics into one place. If you need flexibility, scalability, and serious workflows visibility, it delivers. It's best suited for mid-sized companies that want to move past spreadsheets and point solutions. It's not the easiest or cheapest tool out there, but it's incredibly capable once you're inside. This has been How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.